23. Finding a great personal injury attorney in Denver can seem like a mile-high task to undertake. Luckily, the team at Forbes Advisor has put together a list of the best personal injury lawyers in the area. We also have some advice on how to know which attorney is right for your needs. At Sokolov, we work with our clients to help them receive compensation for medical bills, lost wages, and financial security for their families, while helping to hold offending asbestos companies accountable. We may be able to help with your case if you were diagnosed with mesothelioma, lung cancer, or another asbestos-related disease, are the spouse or dependent of the mesothelioma patient, represent the estate of the mesothelioma victim. Our mesothelioma lawyers understand that each person harmed by asbestos has their own story. We treat clients with compassion, working on their behalf to deliver strong results. Filing a personal injury lawsuit in Colorado. In this section, you'll find many of the personal injury laws in Colorado. To find out more specifics about how to approach your own personal injury case, we are no substitute for one of the many great personal injury lawyers in Denver or all over Colorado. Colorado Statute of Limitations. A statute of limitations is a law that limits the amount of time between when a crime or injury occurs and when a lawsuit must be filed. You may have heard this term used in TV shows or movies about criminal law. There is no statute of limitations on murder, for example. When it comes to personal injury law, Colorado has two different statutes of limitation. There is a 2-year statute of limitations on all personal injuries. This 2-year period begins on the date of the injury or the date that the victim knows of the injury. Colorado law allows an extra year for personal injury claims arising out of auto accidents. This means that car accident claims have a 3-year statute of limitations. Colorado personal injury laws. Colorado does not have a lot of unique personal injury laws. The extra year that Colorado law gives for filing an auto accident claim is somewhat unusual, but statutes of limitations for personal injury claims in the 2 to 3 year range are very common. Colorado does have a few unique features to their personal injury laws. Many states assume that a dog is not dangerous until it has already bitten someone, called the one-bite rule. This practice makes dog owners liable for dog bites only after the first bite. Colorado does not follow this trend and holds owners strictly liable for even the first time their dog bites someone. Colorado has caps on non-economic damages in injury cases. The law was passed in 1986 and capped non-economic damages at $250,000 or $500,000 if there is clear and convincing evidence that justifies the increase in damage awards. The law allows inflation adjustments to these amounts, which means that the current amounts are more than double the initial figures. In 2023, the caps on non-economic damages are $642,180 and $1,284,370. There is also a cap on non-economic damages in Colorado cases involving wrongful death. This cap is currently $598,350. This cap will be lifted, however, if the death was the result of a felonious killing. Colorado also capped non-economic damages in medical malpractice cases. These cases cannot award non-economic damages beyond $300,000. Finding fault and defining negligence. All personal injury lawsuits are based on the concept of negligence. There are 4 elements to negligence. Duty. Each of us owes everyone else certain duties and our society, the duty to obey traffic laws, the duty not to harm others, etc. Manufacturers have a duty to consumers to manufacture products that are reasonably safe and fit for the purpose that they are designed to fulfill. A doctor has a duty to perform their job in a reasonable way that is consistent with the standard of care. Breach. Someone owes a duty and fails to perform that duty. This is a breach. The breach of duty is what creates a cause of action in a negligence claim.